I am going to review the best riding lawnmower in the market for this year. All over this video, our focus will be on finding the best of the best product, and from a list of the best products available in the current market, we have picked these products as the most spectacular. We are certain you won't be disappointed after watching this video. In selecting these products, there are various factors which we should take into consideration. As a result of the hard work and time invested in the selection of these products, we can assure you of a stress-free process whenever you decide to make a purchase of your desired product. These include reviews from other customers like you on various sites, performance, and specifications of each product. We have gone an extra mile to ensure you don't get confused when making your purchase. To get other information on each product, the video description includes embedded links which you can open. Please don't forget to like and share this video. You can also subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications when we post a new video in the future. At number 1. Bilt 382cc Premium Riding Lawnmower. This powerful lawnmower comes with many standard features that make it stand out from the others around. It is durable and its wheels are guaranteed to last, comes with an 18-inch radius of turning. Its portable size means it can be stored easily in the garage without taking up much space, and it also comes with an adjustable blade that allows you to power it manually. This is the ideal mower for homeowners with standard and medium-sized landscape that is evenly spread. It is super fast and powerful and gives you good return on your money. This product is not fully automated and is not ideal for senior citizens. At number 2. Poulan Pro P46ZX Zero-Turn Riding Mower. If you are looking for a lawnmower you can trust that offers you the best in durability, high performance, and comfort, then this brand is all you need to get. It comes with a dual wheel that allows it to be controlled and maneuvered easily, thus offering you even shorter time on your mowing. The deck of this product has been found to be weak, however, and it does not come with a headlight for when you need to work at night. At number 3. Cadet XT1 Hydrostatic Front Engine Riding Mower. This is a very powerful and sturdy machine that gives you the unique option of mowing even in reverse, and gives you the ability to quickly turn off when your back is turned to an area. It saves you a lot of time and comes with handles that can easily be raised or lowered, depending on the terrain you are working on. The seat is adjustable and offers you comfort like no other, and it is totally affordable. If you want a mower that goes forward and picks up leaves faster, then this product might not be what you need. Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section and hit the subscribe button, as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest video in future.